loco. I put you in a chokehold. Go loco, go loco, go loco. I pull that track off for show.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, but for this video, I'm gonna be doing a everyday makeup tutorial, as you can see, and how to get these bomb lashes right here. See these? I will mention that later because these are my new lashes that I just got. And yeah, but don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and comment what kind of videos that you want me to do next. And yeah, my last video, I really deleted so many important parts of the video, and it was by accident, and I'm sorry. I will have another illusion coming up in my next video, or maybe I'm gonna do a get ready with me and get to know me and then do an illusion. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, let's get started. First I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the rest of it. So I did my eyebrows and I put my hair up because it was too much. Did you guys notice how I dyed it? I was gonna make a video about it, but then it got too messy because the red was going everywhere. But yeah, okay. So next step, after my eyebrows are done, I go in with a tart, like a primer or something or whatever, and I'm gonna go in with this one. I don't know why it looks white, but it's pink. But yeah, I'm gonna just rub it all over my face. Okay, so that's done. Next thing I do, I'm just making sure it's all set in. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab my Born This Way Too Faced Coverage Foundation. Now I love full coverage foundation. I don't like half coverage, medium coverage. I like full. And I use natural beige. So like, and then with a beauty blender, you know that one's dirty. My beauty blender, I'm gonna put it all around my face and my neck too. Sorry, I also have another mirror over here. I should be using this one. This one would look good. So I'm done. As you can see, this is full coverage because like now you can't see my freckles and my dark lines or anything. And it's not just gonna look like this because no, I'm gonna make it match out and everything. So okay, next is concealer. Now I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer too, as well as like $7. I love it, I recommend it. But for today I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light medium. I know I go like this and you guys can't see what I'm doing. So I have that everywhere, and then I'm gonna blend it. Okay, and everything is blended in. Next is I need to put my Airspun loose face powder to cover up the concealer that I just put, and then I'm gonna go over it with a face powder where I didn't put this loose sponge. So I'm gonna go over it with this. So now I put it in the places where it's supposed to go, and now it's gonna cook or bake, like y'all say. And now I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in Pure Beige. And I'm gonna go over that with a little bucket brush. And I'm gonna put it everywhere. Now I let that cook and bake for like a minute or two, not that much, but yeah. I got some new lashes from Dodolashes. I have a code with them, which is Aaliyah _TYB. I'll have it right here, maybe right now. Yeah, and you can save 5% off your first purchase. You could go on Instagram and stitch them up and like, yeah. But I'll show you the lashes. They're really, they cute. They cute. They cute for mink lashes. Like if you like the dramatic stuff, them the lashes for you, girl. But I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and wipe all this off. Everything is already set in place. Next, I'm gonna put bronzer on. My powder bronzer Rich Amber from Anastasia. It hit the pan. I need more. I'm gonna take a fat fluffy brush. See, just from my forehead down, like, it gives us some color. Like, we stand a pigmented ass bronzer. We stand Anastasia, like, for real. I want to get on their PR list. They have good stuff. So I'm just rubbing it and pulling up, so my cheeks will be snatched. somewhere. I don't know. Next, while that bakes, I'm gonna put Morphe Blush Chill Pop of Blush. And today I'm gonna go with Sexy because it's a cute. I'm gonna go with the same brush. I let that sit and bake. I'm gonna take off my nose powder. And look how my nose got all pointy and skinny. Well, you probably can't really tell. So next, while I let that bake, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Put it on my lashes. So now I take off my powder. Next is what I was talking to you guys about earlier, is my Dodolashes. These are the lashes. They're really for the D1051. Want to try it out right now. So I'm back, and these lashes are fucking bomb. Look at them, like, oh my god, like, I feel like a bad bitch. I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be right back. This is the final look. I crimped my So if you want to see more videos like this where I just get ready and, you know, just get ready and I look pretty because I'm not going nowhere, but that's okay. I still do it. See you in next time's video.